I'm so mean, like I watch that motherfucker every Sunday in holy water. My Jesus piece clean, either my shoes or Christians, I'm walking on holy water. She came out in true religion jeans and fell straight to her knees like she was dipped in holy water. Holy water. Holy water. Back when Michael Jordan was raw, 92 was the year my city was city of God. Coke on the boulevard, crack fiends skiing in slaloms is exactly how drug lords found their way from the bottom.